My name is Dr. Diksha Singh. I'm an organic therapist, also author, blogger, speaker, YouTuber, and founder of Hormonal Wings. And today I'm going to tell you the story of my journey. I took the most important decision of my life in year 2016. I decided to leave the city to my hometown. I left the apartment and quit everything. My heart was longing for something else. I moved to Kanpur, a city where I had my roots since generation back. So actually it was like a coming home. When I first came here, I had no plan, no money, and no job. But I had a dream to be in defense. I wanted to make a living so that I could work on my dreams, so that I could stay at my home. The first year are very challenging, long, steady, and constant worry about money. But during this time, I found my passion in my profession. When I was attending my SSB in Bhopal, I found I'm born to help and heal women. A time when my limits are constantly tested, I also opened my clinic for women's health and rehab with all my savings and started writing blogs that I could share moments of my new life and express my love for study and physiotherapy in words. I also started completing my book that later I gave name It's All About Pregnancy, which is available on Amazon now after 7 years. In same year, I cleared my international license exam as Obegonic therapist and my SSB too. My parents become my best friend and biggest inspiration. Living so close to my work awakened something in me. I felt an urge to create, and it became my biggest passion to continue creating and moving people with my skill as a physiotherapist. It's been 5 years and more since I moved back, and I still live here in my house with my family, but lost it dead last year. From here, I run my own business, Hormonal Wings, where my dad and mom employed as an administrator. I spend my days doing OPD, research, telehealth, writing, studying, and making content for my YouTube channel. And through all my social media channels, I read over a number of people every week. I work together with my buddy, family, and my best friend Anuj. And recently, he helped me in publishing my book. And still have my clinic with more knowledge and confidence. That is Hormonal Wings, which is close to my heart and my core. And I still wish is to give something beautiful to this world and physiotherapy. Something that breaks through our barriers, reaches the soul to heal women. And my book is already available on Amazon. The book is completed in this place only on 21st April 2020 with my dad. One of the magical moments I have to experience during my years here. I have learned so much during these years and my work got published too. Most of all that feeling grateful for small things in life is the key to big things. And that's it. It's only we, ourselves, that sets the limit of what is possible and not. So, I will suggest you to have patience and never give up and never be afraid of losing your feet on the ground because sometimes that can be the best thing you will ever do. As I learned from my dad, is to celebrate every day because every day, every second is important because we don't know how much we'll survive, how much we are longing for, but this is the day we are born for. So, this is about how I changed my life years ago when I left the city life and moved to Kanpur and started new life close to knowledge and peace, close to all things my heart was longing for. These years have been so challenging and hard, but also wonderful and magical in every single way. I came here, I learned here, I learned just so much from here that from the day I came to my house with no money, no job, no plans. But from the day I started living for real life, I started appreciating my life. I started learning that you can never ever understand. I started with nothing but a dream, and today I live my dream. Every day I feel so thankful for still being able to live here in my little paradise, deep and working with all things I love and sharing my life with my loved ones. In this video, you get to see a short summary of those years. Of course, many details are included since the video would be a year long if I could include all the things that happened along the way. But at least it tells my story in a big picture. I hope you will like my story and thank you for watching it. So just subscribe to my channel and you can buy my book. It's all about pregnancy, which is available on Amazon by Dr. Diksha Singh. And just subscribe to my channel and like my video and share my video and channel. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me.